What's guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel and bell icon. Today de 1984 Indian 50 pèse coin holds a unique place in the world of numismatic. While its face value may appear small, its historical significance, material composition, and collector interest elevate it far beyond its nominal worth. As a piece of everyday currency from a transformative era in India's post-independence economic journey, this coin offers a fascinating window into the nation's mid-1980s economic environment, minting technology, and monetary practice. In this detailed script, we will explore the historical context, physical characteristics, rarity, collector appeal, and current market value of the 1984 50 pèse coin from India. 1984, India was undergoing political turbulence and economic change. This was the year when Prime Minister Indira Gandhi was assassinated, marking a period of both mourning and transition. Economically, India was still a tightly regulated economy, heavily influenced by the Licence Raj system, laying the foundation for eventual liberalization. During this period served both functional and symbolic purposes. The 50 pèse coin, often seen as a low denomination piece, was an essential part of daily commerce. Like the lower denomination made of aluminum, the 50 pèse coin was still being minted in copper nickel, lending it a higher degree of durability and value. It served as critical tools for public transaction, particularly in rural and semi-urban areas where coin circulation was high and small denomination were in regular demand. 1984 50 pèse coin belongs to the Republic India coinage and carry distinct physical and visual features. Here is a breakdown of its specification. Metal composition. Copper nickel weight, approximately 5 grams diameter. 24 mm shape, circular edge. Milled or reeded obverse design. The lion capital of Ashoka pillar in the center, the word, Bharata, Bara in Hindi on the left, and India in English on the right. Emblem is the word, Satyameva Jayat, meaning, truth alone triumphs. Reverse design. The numeral, 50, in large font indicating the denomination, with the word, pèse, in Hindi and, pesa, in English below it. 1984, is placed at the bottom, with decorative floral elements on the sides. The simplicity and symmetry of the design exemplify the practical style of Indian coin during the 1980s, and more at function than aesthetic flourish. Mint marks the 1984 50 pèse coin was produced at multiple mints across India, each identified by a small symbol beneath the year of issue. These marks are crucial for collectors, as they can significantly affect a coin's value. Their corresponding marks for the 1984 50 pèse coin are as follows. Mumbai Bombay Mint, identified by a small diamond carrow below the year. These are among the most common. Kolkata Calcutta Mint, no mint mark is present below the year. Coins from this mint are also relatively common. Mint, identified by a small star asterisk below the year. These coins are less common. Noida Mint, not yet operational in 1984, so not applicable. Among these, Hyderabad minted coins tend to have slightly higher collector interest due to their comparative scarcity. And demonetization, the 50 pèse coin was actively circulated for several decades. However, over time, inflation gradually reduced its purchasing power. Capable of buying tea, snacks, or bus tickets became largely obsolete by the late 2000s. In June 2011, the government of India officially demonetized coins of denomination below 50 pèse, effectively retiring them from legal tender status. Coin remained the lowest legal denomination, but in practice, even it began to fade from common usage due to the rising cost of goods. This demonetization added a layer of historical value to the 1984 coin, as it is part of a defunct system no longer in public use. And rarity numismatists often assess a coin's value based on its rarity, condition branding, historical importance, and minting anomaly. 1984 50 pèse coin. Commonality de 1984 coin is not considered extremely rare, especially from the Mumbai and Kolkata mints. Millions were produced for general circulation. Hyderabad mint versions are comparatively harder to find. Varieties and errors. Some coins may exhibit minting errors, such as coins are not just a medium of exchange, they are miniature archives of a nation's history, Economy, Culture, and Political Transition. The 50 Pence Coin of India minted in 1984 offers a compelling glimpse into a time of transformation, economic planning, and the legacy of India's post-independence coinage system, one of the key denominations used in daily transactions during the late 20th century. The 50 Pence Coin held both functional and symbolic significance. This detailed exploration of the 1984 Indian 50 Pence Coin dive into its historical context, physical attribute, economic relevance, and cultural significance, tracing its journey from conception to circulation and finally to its eventual withdrawal from legal tender status. It reflects on the broader story of Indian coinage, economic policy, and socio-political development that shaped this small but vital unit of Indian currency. Historical background of Indian coinage. The roots of Indian coinage. India has one of the oldest numismatic traditions in the world. The earliest coins in the Indian subcontinent were punch-marked coins dating back to the 6th century BCE. Over the century, various dynasties, empires, and colonial powers introduced their own coinage systems, each reflecting their distinct artistic and political identity. Post-independence monetary reforms. After gaining independence in 1947, India retained the British Indian coinage for a short time. However, significant change began after the formation of the Republic in 1950. India needed a unified and modern coinage system reflecting its new identity. In 1957, the Indian government adopted the decimal system, replacing the old Anna system. Un rupee égale 16 annas égale 64 pèses with the new metric-based system. Un rupee égale 100 pèses. The term, Naya Pesa, new pèse was used until 1964 to distinguish the decimal coin from the old system. Introduction of the 50 Pence Coin. Evolution of the 50 Pence denomination. The 50 Pence Coin, equivalent to half a rupee, was introduced in 1964 as part of India's move toward decimalization. It was considered a high-value coin and was widely used in daily transactions. The design, size, and metal composition of the 50 Pence Coin underwent several changes over the decade to adapt to changing economic conditions, metal availability, and minting technology. The role of 50 Pence in the 1980s economy. By the 1980s, the Indian economy was still under tightly controlled and planned regime. Inflation had gradually reduced the purchasing power of smaller denominations, yet the 50 Pence remained a vital coin for transportation fares, small purchases, school fees, and wages for casual labor. It represented a significant fraction of a rupee and was commonly used throughout rural and urban India. The 1984 Indian 50 Pence Coin. Technical details. Physical characteristics. Metal composition. Copper nickel cuni, comprising 75% copper and 25% nickel. Weight, 5.0 grams. Diameter, 24 mm. Shape, circular edge. Reeded minting location. The coin was minted in multiple locations, including Mumbai, Bombay, New Mint Mark Kolkata, Calcutta, New Mint Mark Hyderabad, Star Mint Mark Noida, Disque Noir. Mint Mark. The obverse side featured the lion capital of Ashoka with the inscription, Satyameva Jayat, Satyameva Jayat. Truth alone triumphs below. On the top and sides of the coin were the words, Bharata, Bara in Hindi and India in English. This emblem was a national symbol, adopted from the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka's pillar at Sarnath. Reverse design. The reverse bore the denomination, 50, prominently at the center, flanked by the word, Pez, Pez in Hindi and Pesa in English. Below the denomination was the year of minting 1984. Surrounding decorative lines and curvature gave it a simple yet dignified aesthetic. Minting and circulation. Volume of minting. While precise mint figure for each year vary, the 1984 50 Pence Coin was minted in large volume, reflecting its extensive use in daily transactions. Was distributed across the country and was commonly found in marketplace, public transport, schools, and rural village. Mint marks and identification. The mint mark under the year on the reverse side helps identify the origin. New mark Kolkata. Noida, Star Hyderabad. These marks help numismatists identify where a particular coin was produced, adding value to specific variants based on rarity or quality. Socio-economic context of 1984. Political events. 1984 was one of the most tumultuous years in modern Indian history. The year saw the assassination of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, Operation Blue Star, and subsequent Sikh riots. Economic and political stability of the country was tested. Todd et tout the commerce and coinage production continued largely unaffected.